Lumity's mission is to help the nonprofits throughout all of our communities provide more services with deeper impact. We do that through a couple of programs. First, we offer high-value consulting and training services in the areas of information technology, accounting, and operations management. Secondly, we provide leadership in the area of digital literacy and training services to help improve the social economic environment of low-income families and individuals. Finally, we connect Chicago's philanthropic, corporate, and political leadership to the needs and issues surrounding the nonprofit community. Lumity and Accenture teamed up to bring this award to really recognize and promote innovation in the nonprofit sector. We've all seen the impact that technology's had in the for-profit sector, and our organizations aspire to see that same level of impact in the nonprofit sector.
The Chicago Foundation for Education is a local nonprofit organization that increases student learning in Chicago public schools by supporting teachers. We provide grants to teachers for curriculum ideas that they have. We provide grants for teachers to participate in study groups where they can collaborate and share ideas and get some mentoring around new strategies for their classroom. We also do an action research program for teachers in which they can find answers to some really crucial questions around how students are learning in their classroom. The project that we are excited about is our new lesson plan database. This is an online tool. Any teacher, anywhere in the world can access award-winning lesson plan ideas for their classrooms. So teachers that have won grants through us are invited to post their teaching strategies online where other teachers can download them and use them in their classrooms.
The Community Media Workshop is a nonprofit. It's based at Columbia College, Chicago. We've been around since 1989, and our mission is to diversify the voices in the news. So what we do is we work with all different kinds of grassroots and other nonprofit groups, and we do training in how they can tell their stories. Online, we created an e-newsletter that goes out twice a year to about 7,000 or 8,000 folks. We also online have created a sort of a blog aggregator where we have blogs and podcasts and video that's all about news about nonprofits or news that's relevant to nonprofit communicators all in one spot. And offline, we held a community media summit. It was trained about 100 to 200 nonprofit communicator folks in all the skills of new media. What we're talking about is building a community online and offline of nonprofit communicators.
My organization is Howard Brown Health Center. We are a healthcare agency that focuses primarily on the well-being and healthcare of the gay, lesbian, bisexual, and transgender community. So we offer full medical services, behavioral health, social services, and extensive research studies. The project we were presenting was our EHRS implementation, so we were transitioning from paper charting to electronic health record system.
I'm with the Newman Association, and we are innovative leaders in serving adults who are duly diagnosed with both a developmental disability and a mental illness. And we specialize in providing a comprehensive array of services. We have residential, day programs, skills training, job placement. We also have a wide array of therapies and on-site medical clinic and case management. We presented our eNotes program, which is a fully integrated system that allows users to create, review, retrieve, edit, and print client service notes. We have 23 remote locations. These are small group homes that are scattered throughout the city of Chicago, and so it's always a challenge to provide adequate support and supervision to the satellites locations.
Technology is having a profound impact in the nonprofit sector. Just to give you a few examples, new applications are being introduced to better assess individuals in the human services sector. Social networking sites are being launched to better promote mission, cause, and to bring new constituents into the nonprofit sector. Work group tools are being added to better facilitate collaboration between nonprofits as they bring new services to the communities. By far, this is the most exciting time to be advocating innovation and technology in the nonprofit sector.
It's just incredible the way that we've been able to reach more teachers and let them know about what we're doing at CFE and what great things teachers are doing across the city, and allowing them to communicate with each other in so many ways too.
Technology has really made a big difference for our organization because a lot of the online work that we do has forced us to be much more collaborative as an office. The e-newsletter is a really good example of that. You know, all of us are sucking up stuff that's relevant to nonprofit communicators and then sharing that, and the nonprofit communicators benefit directly from what we do because it's easier for them to see what we're offering, when we're offering it, and for them to take advantage of it.
The technology we're using is affecting the organization by improving our processes and workflows and standardizing the point of care. Everyone is charting in the same way, consistently, universally. The charts are available from any location so that providers have access to data. It definitely improves the quality of care they receive because now providers have instant access to their patients' information. They can actually look up the chart rather than assuming what the refill should be and provide real-time access to the pharmacy.
Our eNote system has helped keep us connected. It's interfaced with the state of Illinois' billing department, and so we're able to document services and transmit them to the state with ease and efficiency.
By giving out this award, Lumity hopes to encourage nonprofits to continue their investment in technology and innovation. We also hope that by promoting these great success stories that these 4 finalists have brought forward to us, that we can stimulate additional thought leadership, not only with the service providers, but also with the funding community.
Winning this award would have a huge impact on our organization. It would increase our visibility as an organization tremendously. I think the award also would allow us to put some marketing and promotional efforts around our database and improving it and getting the lesson plan database out to more people.
To win this award for Community Media Workshop would be just so wonderful. The benefits that will come from it is that we'll be able to better serve all of the folks that we work with, especially by doing things like bringing our media guide online so that more nonprofits are able to access it and more folks are able to find the people they need to tell their stories too.
It means a lot because the title is, Technology Leadership Award, and I like to think that my team did a good job in implementing a rather complex project. And to be recognized as a leader in that arena would mean a lot to our organization.
Well, this is an innovative project, and it has been cited by the state of Illinois. We are light years ahead of many other organizations as far as our technology, and so we hope to be able to market this program to other mental health agencies throughout the community.
There's a lot of innovation that I see that the nonprofits bring to it, and the ability to do more with less. So it's clear that whenever they come in with a technology solution, it's very tightly interwoven with their mission, and there's clear alignment between the two.
I wanted to become a judge because I really respect the Lumity organization and the involvement of the IT community more broadly, and I wanted to be a part of it.
Nonprofits tend to be mission-based, and there's just a lot of passion about the solutions that they are trying to provide. And they never lose sight of the constituents, and that's what I enjoy most about this.
I see that there's a great impact that technology can have on an organization and how they fulfill their mission. And most charity organizations want to apply their dollars to serving their end client, but they need to be mindful of how they can increase their impact and their reach to their clients by making investments in technology.
The potential long-term impact for technology in the not-for-profit sector, I think, is very significant. Each of those award submissions, we're taking technology and applying it in an innovative way with an outcome focused on delivering additional value that will help them achieve their mission and ultimately help the constituents that they're serving in the marketplace. And that's very similar to what we do at a broad level in the for-profit sector.